Hey YouTube, this is the Web Wealth Whisperer again. I am here today to show you some of my silver collection. Um, Now, some people will start just by stacking weight and they don't really care about the silver. They might get 10-ounce bars and just stack those, whatever the cheapest bar is. Or, they might get silver rounds like Buffalo rounds, which are probably one of the lowest premiums you can pay on a round. So you can get those. You pay a little bit over spot, and you can just stack them in a tube like this. Will hold about 20. I like these tubes because you can put capsules around the coin and still put them in there. So that's one way to do it. That's not the way I started. I started with a collection. So I went around and found fun silver that I like. A lot of the silver, some of it's from AppMex, APMEX is the website, or eBay, that kind of thing. If you do buy from eBay, do not buy from someone who only has a couple reviews. You want to buy from something that has the name like the Coin Shop that has 10,000 reviews and mostly 100, maybe a 99. So you look for people with lots of positive reviews, and you should be pretty safe buying on eBay if you do it that way. And you can always go to a coin shop and they'll help you test them afterwards if you're nice to them. But some of these here, I'll show you around. We've got a Batman symbol there. That's pretty cool. We've got a 3-ounce Death Star down here. We've got a 1-ounce Death Star and a Millennium Falcon, like Star Wars. Those are pretty cool. Over here, we have like John Wick. I think in the movie, he had gold coins, but those are pretty expensive right now. So I started with a silver one. I really like these. This is a cowboy round from Scottsdale. If you twist it around, the rays kind of sparkle in the light. Scottsdale is really one of my favorite mints. They have a lot of cool designs. So it's definitely something to look at. It's another website you can go to if your mint doesn't have, or your local coin shop doesn't have those. This one is the Aztec calendar, and we've got Britannia. It's one of the sovereigns. Every nation pretty much has a different coin they use. This is America's. That's the Silver Eagle. And we've got another Star Wars one here. It's a little Grogu, the baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. We've got Captain America's shield, which is kind of cool. It's curved, so it's kind of a neat coin. With another Batman symbol, the older Batman symbol, and the newer Batarang symbol. We've got Spider-Man over here. A lot of these are coins from different countries, so it's kind of neat. And we've got Darth Vader. I'm a crypto guy, so I've got a Bitcoin round. This is a reprint of a restrike of a Netherlands coin, I think. I just thought it was cool looking. We've got a dragon, pretty neat looking dragon. We've got another Scottsdale mint coin. It's hammered silver, and it kind of looks like a golf ball, so I like that. A couple other things we have over here. We have a button from Scottsdale Mint, which is neat. This is a Libertad. That's from Mexico. It's got all the different eagles that they use on their coins on it. Those are neat. These are another Scottsdale coin. It's a stacker. So they stack
on top of each other. And you can get them in 1 ounce, 2 ounce, or big chunky 5 ounce versions. And the neat part about these is you can fit more than 20 of them in a tube. I think someone said you could put 26 ounces in a tube if you're really looking to maximize space. And there's a Lion stacker as well. This isn't really worth anything. It's just, I thought it's funny. It's Zimbabwe, you know, their currency got hyperinflated and they got up to $100 trillion. I think this is probably about 30 cents before the end. That's kind of a fake one, just like a bookmark, but that's a real $1 billion bill from Zimbabwe. So that is why we stack silver, in case the American dollars ever look like that. That's when silver will retain its value, and I won't have to worry about the premiums I paid on these collectibles. Silver will be worth quite a bit more. All right, other things. These are some of the sovereigns. Another Libertad, but this is a proof. This is a proof Silver Eagle. Britannia, Cougaran. So that's Mexico, America, you know, Britain, what's that, South Africa, I think, and Canada, Maple Leaf, and the Kookaburra is, what's that, Australia. So kind of neat. You can get these little cases. I think I got these at SD Bullion. So it's kind of a neat way to store your coins. I got a lot of cases from Amazon. The capsules don't fit or that kind of thing. So getting them from SD Bullion or APMEX is usually better. And then one of the last things I have to show you is my lone gold coin. So it can be like Yankee stacking and show you a coin at the end of the video. Hope your day's A-okay. That's a little, what is that? The Silver Eagle, or Golden Eagle, I guess you call them. But kind of a neat little coin. That's 1/10 of an ounce. Now, hopefully, maybe as silver goes up in price, we can trade some of these in for maybe gold versions or that kind of thing, or trade, you know, multiple ones in for gold. But right now, I think silver is a better value. But that's my collection. So tell me in the comments what you like. If you guys are collectors or stackers, or, you know, if you prefer constitutional silver. That was my first video. I have some of that in the other room. Or if you like gold, maybe you don't like silver at all. Maybe you're a gold bug. And tell me what coins I'm missing for my collection. I saw a cool little shipwreck. There's about 4 different ones. They're little triangle coins. I just ordered one of those, so I thought that one was neat on the last Yankee video, so I ordered one of those. And I don't know what else I have. I have some gifts I have to give people, so kind of maybe not my style, but in hobbies that they enjoy. So maybe I'll make a video about different gifts, different cases, you know, where I got all these cases and that kind of thing, if you guys are curious about that stuff. But yeah, these do make great gifts to give. I mean, this, I'll probably give my stepdad something like this, you know, if you're willing to spend that much money. If you get 6 ounces of silver, you can get, you know, a little silver around the world. Get someone stacking, maybe that's not exposed to stacking silver. Maybe they do like stacking silver, but that's a really sharp looking introduction into silver. Or you know, if you just give them, you know, one, you know, if they're American, you could start them out with a Silver Eagle, or, you know, if they have ties to one of the other countries, or, you know, a franchise, you could just give them, you know, one of these little coins, or, you know, something like that. Even a, you know, I think like a gold buck, it's like $3 these days. So there's definitely all different price ranges. Or like constitutional silver, a dime's like $3, a quarter's like $7. So you could start someone on their constitutional silver journey. So, well, that's about it. So, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and again, I'm just getting used to making videos again. So sorry about the shaky cam. I don't have a decent setup yet, but that will be coming in the future. So thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your silver journey as well. All right, bye bye.